In this short video, I'll show you how to create a best fit line graph in Excel so that you can forecast future sales or traffic trends. Firstly, highlight your data. Next, in the Insert tab at the top, go to the middle and look for Scatter Chart, which is this one. Select the first one. Now, when this chart appears, make sure you press the right side here so we can add the trend line. But instead of pressing the trend line over here, go to the options, which is this arrow key, and we'll click on linear forecast. After doing so, go ahead and press more options. And at the very bottom, check display R squared value on chart. There we go. Now you know how to create a best fit line graph in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.